The holidays are all about warmth, family, and creating unforgettable moments at home. And believe it or not, your carpets play a big role in setting that festive atmosphere. Fresh, clean carpets make your home feel cozier, smell fresher, and look more welcoming for every guest who walks through the door. Welcome to FastKlean, your go-to source for professional cleaning tips that make holiday prep easy and stress-free. Before we continue, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our best cleaning hacks. Over time, carpets trap dust, allergens, and grime, dulling their look and affecting your indoor air quality. During the winter, when windows stay shut, this buildup can linger. A deep carpet clean before the holidays removes hidden dirt, refreshes the air, and sets the perfect scene for your festive gatherings. Clean carpets also make your home feel warmer and more inviting. They enhance comfort and help keep the heat in, something every cozy home needs in winter. Plus, starting with spotless carpets means easier stain management when spills happen during celebrations. A quick blot can save the day and keep your floors looking flawless. Beyond the holidays, a good clean helps protect your carpets from wear and tear. Removing built-up grime prevents damage, keeps the fibers plush, and extends their lifespan. And when the festivities are over, post-holiday cleanup will be so much easier. A clean carpet isn't just about appearances. It's about creating a warm, healthy space where people love to gather. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a like, subscribe to FastKlean, and share your best holiday cleaning hack in the comments below.